Welcome to Ask Chef Gilles part 35. So we use this method to cook the king cobia because the king cobia is a little bit fatty, but to avoid to get it dry and to have also the nice nutty flavor from the butter, we choose to start it cold and then to put it directly in the oven and then do the basting. So the butter doesn't burn. It has time, the butter nourishes the fish also, so it stays very juicy and you have this nice nutty flavor of the brown butter. That's what we're looking for this. Yeah, you can also steam it. Steam is also very nice, but you have to slow steam, not too hot. So again, it will not get dry and stay juicy. If you pan fry, you choose the tail part, the one that's not so thick, and then you can pan fry it also to avoid drying it. Usually you use this method when you have very thick fillet. So if you have like a big snapper and the thick part near the head, you can use this method as well. Or even a salmon who has quite a nice thickness, you can do like this also. Any fish that has a very thick fillet, it's actually a very nice way to cook to avoid it from drying and to get the nice flavors.